Hello, I'm Pete Gillespie, Service Manager with MarineMax in Dallas, Texas. Last year, we had some pretty unprecedented cold. Really want to caution every one of you that winterization is very important, and make sure that you're getting service scheduled to get your winterizations completed. There's lots of different things that we can do during winterization. It starts with our sport boats. Inboard or outdrive style engines need to be drained of all their water. At the same time, changing engine oil and doing standard services is recommended in this time of the year to make sure that your boat is ready for next season and you're not affected by the cold weather. Outboards also have some requirements for services and items to be done before boats are winterized or before they're set up for the season. The sport boats, like the jet boats and the scarabs that we sell, they have jet pumps that have water inside of them that need to be drained, and also services recommended prior to setting those boats up for a while. And then on to our big boats, the yachts that are out there that stay in the water and live out there, making sure that the bilge heaters are working properly, making sure that your bilge vents are closed off, making sure that your freshwater systems are drained and your toilets, so that none of those items can be frozen when this cold weather hits us. Some of the other service offerings that we have, if you're planning on keeping your boat outdoors for storage for extended periods of time, we can prep your vessel and shrink wrap it with a protectant film that will keep it from being exposed to the elements as the boat sits out over the winter months not being used. This is helpful for boats that are sitting even in a dry storage area to keep them from getting dusty. It can be done. The boat is vacuum packed, sealed, and in the spring when you're ready for use, it just gets cut off and you get to open your fresh, clean boat up after its winter nap. I don't know how many of y'all keep up with Farmer's Almanac and what their predictions are, but there's actually a prediction this year for another mighty cold year. So my caution would be to make sure that you get on the phone, talk to your service department, or call us here at MarineMax and let us assist you with making sure that your boat is winterized and ready for the season next year. One more time, I'm Pete Gillespie. I'm the Service Manager at MarineMax Dallas. We're here to assist you with any of your winterization and service needs. Just give us a call. The phone number of the store is 972-436-9979.